Located in southwestern Ohio lies a city located on the north bank of the Ohio River at the Ohio-Kentucky border. Settled in 1788, the city was first named Losantiville and later changed by Arthur St. Clair, the governor of the Northwest Territory, who changed the name of the settlement to honor the Society of Revolutionary War Veterans, of which he was a member, which in turn was named after Lucius Quintus Cincinnatus, a Roman dictator and hero. Incorporated as an official city in 1819, the city exploded as a center of arts and commerce. The introduction of steamboats on the Ohio River opened up the city's trade to more rapid shipping with commercial ties with St. Louis, Missouri, and New Orleans downriver. Exporting pork products and hay, it became a center of pork processing in the region and was commonly referred to as Porkopolis. The city quickly became a creative and economic hub over the next 40 years and attracted thousands of new settlers. By 1820, locals had been calling it the Queen City in reference to the culture, arts, and civilization the city offered in the midst of the emerging West. Today, with a population of 300,000 people, the city continues to thrive and is now ranked as one of the 50 largest in the United States. The city is colorful, vibrant, welcoming, and filled with lots of historic architecture, restaurants, and attractions. It's had many nicknames over the years and even today is referred to as the chili capital of the world. This is Cincinnati.
Fading flames of fire hang on to burning wires. We don't care anymore. Are we fading lovers? We keep wasting colors. Maybe we should let this go. We're falling apart, still we all together. We've passed the end, so we chase forever. 'Cause this is all we know. This feeling's all we know. I'll ride my bike up to the road, down the streets, right through the city. I'll go everywhere you go, from Chicago to the coast. You tell me hit this and let's go. Blow the smoke right through the window, 'cause this is all we know. 'Cause this is all we know. 'Cause this is all we know. Never face each other, one bed, different covers. We don't care anymore. Hearts still beating on with different rhythms. Maybe we should let this go. We're falling apart, still we all together. We've passed the end, so we chase forever. 'Cause this is all we know. This feeling's all we know. this?